Para po ito sa mga kapwa nating OFW dito sa Saudi Arabia na gustong magpa-verify ng kanilang contract online, mapa-skilled worker man o domestic worker. So ganito lang po ang process. Punta po kayo sa Google at i-type dmw.dataflowgroup.com, then click nyo po ang website at pindutin ang Get Started. Next, enter your active email address. Siguraduhin na alam nyo ang password ng email nyo, then click Get OTP. After nyan, may lalabas na form na kailangan nyong fill upan. Under personal details, title, first name, last name, date of birth, gender, and nationality. Kapag tapos na, click continue. Next step, click start verification. Then piliin kung anong country kayo located. Piliin ang pinakamalapit na MWO office. Halimbawa sa akin, nasa Riyadh ako, kaya Riyadh ang pinili ko. Next, under purpose of verification, click ang contract verification. Then, under verification category, pili ka kung government worker, skilled worker, and domestic worker. Then, click continue. Important reminder sa online verification. Dalawang process ang application. Number 1, upload documents plus magbayad ng convenience fee kay Dataflow. Number 2, once approved by MWO, saka pa lang magbabayad ng verification fee. Kapag approved na ang application mo, kailangan mabayaran ang verification fee para ma-download ang verified report. Kapag disapproved naman, makakatanggap ka pa rin ng report kasama ang dahilan ng disapproval. Processing time usually around 3 working days. Next is a required documents para sa domestic worker. Compulsory required documents. National ID, address proof, resident ID or ICAMA, passport first page, employment contract. Then check I understand that these are required documents for verification and click proceed. Pagkatapos nito, lalabas itong paalala, simple filing guidelines. Huwag mag-upload ng blurred na documents. Dapat malinaw at maliwanag ang picture. Siguraduhin hindi expired ang documents. Hindi tatanggapin kapag expired. I-upload ang both sides ng document, front and back. Dapat included. Then click continue. Next, upload ang passport, first page. Reminder, maximum 10 MB lang ang file. Click upload at pwede ka mag-select from photo library, mag-take photo o pumili from files. Kapag uploaded na, click continue. Next, mag-auto-fill in ang ibang details based sa passport mo, pero i-check mo pa rin kung tama lahat. Then click continue. May lalabas ulit na paalala, effortless processing guidelines. Huwag mag-upload ng blurry na image. Dapat malinaw at maliwanag. Siguraduhin tugma ang lahat ng details. Dapat pare-pareho ang information sa documents. Then click continue. Next, under profession section, i-upload naman ang employment contract. May reminder, kapag below SR 515 ang salary mo, kailangan mag-upload ng undertaking form together with your employment contract para makapag-proceed sa application. Next, under business section at existence section, i-upload nyo na lang kung ano mismo ang hinihinging documents doon dahil hindi ko na po tinuloy ang application since gumawa lang ako ng guide tutorial para makatulong sa inyo. Last step, payment section. Yung verification fee is 40 SR. Convenience fee is 22 SR. Total of 62 SR. Additional reminder, ang convenience fee usually binabayaran muna during application submission. Ang verification fee naman ay possible na ma-request after ma-review o ma-approve ng MWO ang application. Pwedeng online payment gamit ang debit or credit card depende sa available payment options sa portal. Next step, pagkatapos ng successful payment, i-download at i-save ang inyong resibo. I-save din ang inyong Dataflow case number para sa tracking ng application. Minsan ay pinapadala rin ito sa inyong email address. Sana nakatulong ang video na ito. Don't forget to like and follow and share. Thank you for watching.